The holidays are prime time for social media. Shoppers scroll for inspiration, deals, and gift ideas, often from the comfort of home. Social platforms aren't just for engagement. They're marketplaces where brands can drive sales with precision targeting and measurable results. Start with strategy. Set clear goals, understand your audience, and plan a festive content calendar with posts, promos, contests, and stories. Use each platform wisely. Instagram for Reels and UGC, Pinterest for gift guides, Facebook for shops and carousel ads, Twitter for flash deals, and YouTube for product showcases. Balance paid and organic content. Paid ads drive traffic fast, while organic posts build trust, community, and brand loyalty. Run interactive campaigns, contests, and countdowns to boost engagement and conversions. Measure key metrics like CTR, engagement and revenue, and adapt in real time. With strategy, creativity, and data-driven tweaks, social media can turn holiday scrolls into sales. Want your social campaigns to convert this holiday season? We create strategies that drive engagement and revenue.